So, madam, my name is Ikram Ali. By profession, I'm a teacher. I teach chemistry. I'm a government employee. I teach in a high school. And now I have started a new kind of hobby, that is a YouTube channel. And now I converse with you people from every nook and corner of this entire universe. And then I upload that video on my YouTube channel. And my YouTube channel name is Speak English with Ikram.
Okay, that's great. And I guess you are from Pakistan, because I visited your channel and came to know that before conversation, I visited your channel and I came to know that you are from Pakistan and you are a teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. This is the power of social media. All country become one. I am Shweta. I am a freelance Hindi translator and a content creator on YouTube. I have a good typing skill, both Hindi and English, and I'm skilled in Microsoft Office application. And I'm in the journey of learning English and to become a fluent English speaker. So I'm sharing my journey on my channel. So that's all about myself.
So, madam, what do you think? What is fluency?
Fluency means the impressive way or flawless way in which you can present yourself in English. So this is a fluency. When you express any thought, any opinion in English flawlessly with impressive way, then I thought it would be a fluent English speaker.
And how to overcome the hesitation and how to become a fluent in English speaking? Because we are good at our own mother tongue, we are good fluent or good speaker in our own native language. But when it comes to the English language, it is always difficult to converse with someone in a very fluent manner. So what are the strategies that you follow that has enhanced your communication skills or that has enhanced your fluency?
A very genuine question for a, English learner, you Eros. So two things I felt. First thing is you have to come out of your comfort zone and you have to make your mindset, because learning is another thing and making your mindset is very crucial for any English learner, because initially you are not confident, not fluent, and you make mistakes. So first thing is your mindset. You have to overcome your fear and you have to face any like mistake. You have to accept it that if I'm making mistakes, that is so that it's okay, because it is a part of learning. Without making mistakes, you can't learn. So first thing is that, and second thing is you have to put your 100% and practice. With practice, you can overcome your fear, your confidence. You can boost your confidence. You can gain your fluency, and you have to learn grammar, work on vocabulary, pronunciation. So it all included to your practice.
I totally agree with you on these 2 points because we want to become a fluent, but we don't put in any effort. So first we have to get ready and we have to make up our mind that I want to do this. And if you are agreed and if you convince yourself that whatever happens, by all means you have to be fluent in English speaking, then you have to get these things that you have to be fluent in, you have to speak, you have to listen, you have to write, because these are the secondary things. First you have to convince yourself. So madam, my next question is it necessary to learn grammar first and then to speak?
See, different people have their different opinion. Some say that just you learn your mother tongue. Have you ever learned grammar? No. Just because
No.
of environment, just because of listening, you start speaking your mother tongue. In the same way, you can learn any language, and in the same way, you can learn English as well. So some people have that type of opinion. But really, if your English is your second language, which you are learning English, then you must learn grammar, because grammar is the base of English language. If you want to speak flawlessly, you want to become a fluent English speaker, impressive speaker, then you must learn grammar to know about the rules and regulation, in which way you have to produce your sentences. So grammar is very, very essential. I felt in my learning journey that if you learn grammar, it would be very helpful to present yourself in a correct way.
With due respect, I don't agree with you on that point. I don't think so that grammar plays that much role in fluency in any language, because how, as you have said in your previous, that how did we learn our native language? We don't know about the noun pronoun in Hindi, and I don't know about the noun and pronoun adjective in Urdu. So same way it is for the English language as well. Because if we will immerse ourselves, if we wholly solely immerse ourselves into the English environment, then the English learning, then the English speaking will automatically seep into our mind. We will not,
Correct,
we
correct.
do not have to make any effort to speak any word, because if we move from India or Pakistan to the America, Canada or Australia, so any English speaking country, then we will not learn, they will not say that you have to learn grammar and then you will be able to speak in English language. So first we have already immersed ourselves into that environment. So without any effort, without any hindrance, we will become fluent in English speaking in no time. So, with due respect, I don't think so that grammar plays any major role in
Yes,
speaking.
grammar. I'm not. My opinion is not like whole grammar, like noun, pronoun, adjective. I'm not in favor of deep grammar. But at least you have to learn 2 to 3 things like tenses, modals, and preposition. Because if you use wrong tenses, then it would be change the meaning of the sentence. Like if you explain present sentence in future, or in future sentence in present, then the meaning of the sentence would be different. So we must learn about not a deep grammar, but tenses, modals, and preposition. How to use that preposition also. I'm coming from school. I'm going to school, or something like this. So it will change the meaning of the sentence.
As you have said that these two sentences give different meaning. So I think that if someone born in UK, he doesn't learn any grammar. Still, he
Yes,
speaks
yes.
English. So how is that different rule for my for you Indian or for my Pakistanis?
See, we are speaking Hindi. You are also speaking Urdu. But are we speak correct Urdu, correct Hindi? No. While our day-to-day life, even in Hindi, we make mistake. So not according to rule. Sometimes we make mistake. Like in Hindi also, we use sha or sa. Like in India, there are lots of states like Bihar, Rajasthan, Haryana. All are speaking English in by their own accent. So we are not speaking correct or flawless Hindi also. So it's same with the language. The mean of the language is to converse, to make other person understand what you are speaking. So then that time our focus is to communicate, not towards correction or in impressive way. But when it goes to your career or official language, then you must learn grammar, how to write correct email, how to write correct letter, or for professional letters. So then that time you need to learn grammar.
So, madam, my question is, as you have said that getting across your ideas is the ultimate goal of any language.
Yes, yes.
What people do, they are good at getting across their ideas to the person with whom they are interacting, but they are not getting across, or they are not reaching out to that specific person with whom they are interacting or conversing. They are not getting across their ideas in a very effective or efficient or easy possible manner. So what do you think? Getting across is the idea is the best solution?
Now I got it. What is important, to converse or to focus on your flawless presentation? So it depends on requirement. If you are in office or any professional function or anything where you have to, for job purpose, for career purpose, you need to speak in a effective manner. But when it's a casual conversation, then it's okay. In what way you can just converse what you want to say. But in interview, you have to present yourself in a correct way, in an impressive way. So both have their both have their own value and own requirement. It depends on place where you are using.
I totally agree with you that not only getting across your ideas is the ultimate of any language, but getting across your ideas are reaching out the person with whom you are interacting in a very simple, easiest manner as the person doesn't feel any difficulty to understand you. I think that is the ultimate goal of any language.
Language. Yes, true, true.
Madam, my last question is, what was your strategy? How did you start learning this language? And who motivated you?
See, being a homemaker, my priority is obviously my home, but as itself means my own identity, I want to become a financial independent, and for this, I set out to become a freelance Hindi translator, through which I can manage both my professional and my personal life. To become a freelance Hindi translator, I can earn money for my own, and now in this YouTube journey, I can enhance my English speaking ability, through which I can teach others, I can help others through my motivational video, I can give lessons. So in many ways, it's like all sharing, learning, and improving. Both the things are going on with this channel. And it's been 2 years I have been working on my channel. And when I look at my first video and now, there was a lot of difference I feel in myself. So there was a YouTube platform is very essential for every person, because in social media we can use in a productive way.
Okay. So, madam, as you said that it has been 2 years you are on the YouTube channel, and when you see the first video that you have just uploaded on your YouTube channel, so it seems horrible for you, right?
Not horrible, but when I look at it, then I look at my flaws. Shweta, you are not speaking, the way you are speaking is not impressive and not confident. The fear is shown in your face while facing camera. So many things I observe, the way I speak, and about my English also. So there are lots of changes within 2 years. I learned a lot of things during my journey. I learned editing, how to create thumbnail, how to interact with people. So it's like every time we talk, like now I'm talking with you. So I learn a lot of things from you. You are from Pakistan, and you also started your channel, and you are a teacher, and how good you are throwing questions related to English. So thank you so much for throwing good questions. It will definitely help to the viewers.
Yes, because madam, I'm conversing with you, you are conversing with me, and we are uploading that video. We are not uploading that video for our own, right? We
Both.
are
It's my opinion for both. For ourselves, for viewers also. Like, see,
yeah,
we women get inspiration to look at others. How I started my journey by looking at others, how they are doing. Then there is a will came inside that. Okay, if he is doing, she is doing, then I can also do.
yeah, the same way they can also get the inspiration from our YouTube channel or from our conversation. They can also boost their confidence. They can also roll up their sleeves to learn this language. So I think that is why we upload that video, that it can be beneficial or helpful for the person who is watching that video.
Yes, yes.
Thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much for your kind and precious time. Thank you so much, madam. From the bottom of my
Same
heart,
for you.
thank you so much from the Pakistan.
Thank you so much from India.